We can grow a lot of things in a medical lab, but what we can't currently do is grow body parts. That sounds like science fiction. However, it does address a real need. There is currently an organ donor shortage in the US. Every day, 22 Americans die waiting for an organ transplant. That's a lot. However, have you ever wondered why humans can easily repair their skin, but can't regrow their arm? It turns out there's actually two different biological processes happening. Wound healing involves the formation of scar tissue, whereas if you wanted to regrow your arm, that would require regeneration. And humans, aside from their liver, cannot regenerate. Hi, my name is Nicolle Bonar, and I'm a PhD candidate in molecular biology at Northwestern University, and I study regeneration. Studying regeneration is hard. Most organisms do not regenerate. So, in order to study regeneration, scientists looked to nature and found a special species of worm called planaria that can regenerate in about a week, no matter which way you cut them. Planaria are nothing like your average earthworm. They have a well-formed brain, distinct eyes, and a digestive system. But why can planaria regenerate? Planaria get their regeneration capabilities from a large population of stem cells. Stem cells are cells that are in this naive state and have the potential to become a wide variety of cell types, whether that be a neuron, which is found in your brain, or a cardiomyocyte, which is found in your heart. My research specifically looks at how stem cells change and into different cell types and come together to form fully functional tissue. There's a big difference between getting a stem cell to develop into a neuron in a dish and forming a working brain. We have found that one protein called Integrant, which is also found on the surface of human cells, has two really important roles in planarian regeneration. Number one, Integrant is required for proper brain organization. Without Integrant, planaria form a really disorganized brain. All the cells are in the wrong places. Number two, Integrant is needed to make the correct number of neurons. Without Integrant, planaria end up making extra neurons. So what's going on here? We think that Integrant is needed to help stem cells and the neurons they produce migrate. Without Integrant, the cells end up in the wrong place and receive the wrong signal. Eventually, during the process of regeneration, this leads to the formation of a disorganized brain that has too many neurons. This research is really important because if we can uncover the molecular mechanisms that planaria use to regenerate, we may be able to apply those to a human context in the future, and even one day help to learn to grow organs in the lab. Unfortunately, the future isn't here yet, but in the meantime, I encourage you, if you want to be an organ donor, to go to www.organdonor.gov and register with your state.